Hey, welcome you all. If you are curious to know about Ophelia review, watch the video of Wildan because we are going to give you unbiased review regarding this store. As you may have a question in mind, is it legit or a scam? So let's check out this unbiased review. It is an online store based in United States dealing in a really huge variety of things that fulfill your needs for everyday. For example, they are offering you dresses for pregnant ladies like maxis, short and stylish. Electric meat grinder is available. Big shoot LED torch is available. Pan head screw is available. Wide range of speakers, wheel spacer and piston. PlayStation Vita, Casio digital piano, traffic safely cones. So the feature of this website is that it is HTTP secure website, mostly dealing with dresses for pregnant ladies. They have mentioned the email address which is matching the domain name, which is a good sign. Moreover, they have mentioned their contact number on the official website. As far as their shipping and return policy is concerned, the time for shipping is about 15 to 30 days, and you can have free shipping over the order of 40 days, and you can have 14 days return policy if you have not used the product. So the positive highlights for this website is that it has a wide range of product available. Dresses for pregnant ladies available. Moreover, contact details and official address is given, and a well-versed privacy, shipping and return policy have been discussed on the website. The negative point for this website is that the website's homepage is not professionally laid out. It was registered on 21st June 2021, which is very new and not trustable. Its trust rank is just 1%. The traffic is so minimal. Moreover, products reviews by the customer is not available. As far as its legitimacy is concerned, we have discussed certain parameters like it is newly registered website. Moreover, poor trust rank for this website is available. No customer reviews are available, so we are just recommending you people not to buy anything from this store, either to stay away from Ophelia.com, so you may not get scammed and you may not lose your money at the end. And if you have experience on this website for shopping, do share with us. We love to hear from you.